I'm going to be making this bracelet in 4 colours. You could make this with thread like I'm doing, or you could use braiding cords. Because I'm using threads, I'm going to be doubling them up to make them a little bit thicker. So when I refer to the threads or cords, I am referring to the sets of 2 threads worked as 1 thread. This pattern is worked in 2 simple steps. So you're going to begin with your 4 colours, and I'm going to be working from left to right. Step 1 will work the thread or cord in position number 1 over the thread or cord in position number 3. Step 2 will take the thread or cord in position number 4 and knot over the thread or cord in position number 2. So for my first step, I'm going to take the first thread and I'm going to work over this thread here. So I'm going to work it over and then I'm going to work it under. And for my second step, I'm going to take the threads that are in position number 4 and I'm going to work them over the threads that are now in position number 2. And it's perfectly fine to keep rearranging your threads as you're working if you need to move them along a bit. So once I've done these 2 steps, I'm going to go back to what I did in step 1 and take a thread in position number 1 and work it over the thread in position number 3. And then to work the second step, I'm going to take the threads in position number 4 and work them over the threads in position number 2. And now to move my threads along a bit. And just repeat steps 1 and 2 again. And each time I'm working, I'm going to work the thread over the thread that it's next to. So you could work it under if you wanted, but I want to make sure that I always consistently go over for mine. So if you do it under, just consistently go under. And just keep repeating these 2 steps all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with braided tie-on ends, but you could finish it however you prefer. And that is your completed 4 colour friendship bracelet.